I got a comment on one of my other videos asking me how I preserve my leather work gloves and keep them in top quality condition. Well, this video's about just that. As you can see, I've got a pair of leather work gloves here, and they're not the most expensive brand on the market. These are Kinko's from Rural King, authentic genuine buffalo hide, and as you can see, they are very well worn. They're actually the only pair that I've ever had that can handle an entire day of running my Predator brush cut mower. But anyway, if you've had gloves like this, you know that if they get all sweaty or they get wet, when they dry out, they get very stiff and hard to manage, and it's almost impossible to put your hands back in them. So here's my quick tip about how I take care of that problem. The product I use is called Murray's, and it's with 100% pure Australian beeswax. It's not 100% beeswax, it's got some paraffin mixed into it that keeps it spreadable. I'm going to show you exactly what I do with this product. The easiest way to complete this project is to go ahead and put your gloves on. So I got that one on there, and we'll put this one on here. Now, quick tip here, Murray's can be bought at any discount store. They sell it in the hair care aisle, and this is what you do. Just get you a big old fingerful out of it. Just go ahead and start working it into the gloves. It really is just this simple. Now, once you get this smoothed out on your gloves, get a nice layer on them, let it cure overnight, and then take a dry cloth and go ahead and wipe off any excess. Then you're good to go. Your leather gloves are going to be nice and pliable for the next time you get them out, ready to be used. Well, that's it. That's my simple leather glove care tip for today. If you enjoyed this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram and see what we're up to throughout the week between videos, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.